Ufopo, Upienpo, Umupo, Uexpo, Utrapo, Ulipopo. So regardless of your roadmap, all roads lead to Ulipo! Yes, exactly. My name is Peter Maravellis. On the behalf of City Lights Bookstore, welcome to Subtle Channels and Ulipo Laboratory Past, Present, and Future. This event is being brought to you in conjunction with our dear friends at the Mechanics Institute Library and also at the San Francisco Art Institute. For the next 3 days, we will be exploring the enigmatic society that has enthusiastically elevated the science of wordplay to marvelous levels. So what kind of affiliation could bring together the likes of Marcel Duchamp, Italo Calvino, Jacques Roubaud, Raymond Queneau, Harry Matthews, and so on and so forth? We hope to explore this question and many others. This evening, we aim to discuss the group's origins, its trajectory, and to speak to some of its members firsthand about the mission of the group. We are very, very honored to have with us from France, Paul Fournel. He is a writer, a cyclist, and a publisher. He spent several years as publisher at the Ramsay and Segurs House, as well as many other publishing houses. He has served as the president of the Society of Men of Letters of France. He has also held the position of cultural attaché in both London and Cairo, and directed the Alliance Francaise in San Francisco. He is the author of Need for the Bike, which is basically a wonderful love letter to bicycling, and is also currently the president of the Ulipo. He is joined by, also from Paris, Hervé Letellier, who is a writer, a journalist, a mathematician, food critic, and an educator. He is a daily contributor to Le Monde, the website, and is one of the personalities on the radio quiz show Le Papou dans la Tête. He has been a member of the Ulipo since 1992. His published works in English include Enough About Love, The Sixtine Chapel, 1,000 Pearls for 1,000 Pennies, and his most latest book, which you'll be reading from, Electrico W. And they are joined by none other than the youngest Ulipian and also one of 2 American Ulipians, writer, translator, editor, and historian Daniel Levin Becker. He's review editor of The Believer and also author of the Many Subtle Channels in Praise of Potential Literature, out on Harvard Press last year, which really this entire week has been kind of inspired by this book and some conversations had with Daniel. He's really, this could not have happened without him. He is the translator of Georges Perec's La Boutique Obscure, and really a delight to have him with us. He's going to get the evening started. Daniel, welcome.